Okay, kiddos, we're going to continue our work with circles. And I have 3 different words written down here: radius, diameter, and circumference. I'm going to show you what each one means on the circle. So if I think about the radius is from the middle part of the circle, one direction. That's the radius. It could be any direction, but it's only like from the center point to the edge of the circle. The diameter is different. It goes through the center point, but it goes from one side of the circle through the center point to the other side. That's the diameter. And then circumference. Circumference is all the way around, and I'm not doing this perfect, all the way around the circle. So those are the 3 terms you're going to need to figure out the next page of problems.